today's one is pretty easy. The chapter to mone hocche easy. So hello everyone, assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Liaquat Kids English School, and this is class for 7 to 8, batch number 1, and I'm your Imamis. So let's get started with today's session. So today at first we are going to start with vocabulary. There are more some other vocabularies also, but first let's go with this. So first Rabia wants to start. Let me guess how many people are there today? 7.
Miss 7.
আচ্ছা সবাই তিনটা করে পড়বে. Everyone will go with 3 of them. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Anthem. An anthem is a formal or religious song. Everyone sings the national anthem before the basketball game starts. Beyond. Beyond is used to say that one thing is more than another. The job is beyond the man's ability. Determination. Determination is what you have when you try to do something, even when it is difficult. Chris is the youngest competitor, but he has the most determination. Thank you,
Determination.
ma'am.
Determination. আচ্ছা Mahin, come in front of the camera. Mahin.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, is it your first class today?
No, ma'am. Second class.
তো আমার কাছে তোমাকে অপরিচিত আছে. Maybe I placed the name. Okay. Anthem মানে we all know it, right? What about beyond? What is the meaning of beyond here?
Ma'am, I don't know.
You don't know?
No, ma'am.
এটা দেখে বলো. The meaning is given here and this is the sentence. সবাই বলো এটা কি হবে? What do you mean by beyond?
Beyond is used to say that one thing is more than another.
Not what the
The
English
job
one. What
is
did you understand? What did you understand? I want to know that. What do you think about beyond here?
Something that surpasses the limit.
Yes. বিয়ন্ড মানে ঊর্ধ্বে, ঠিক আছে, সীমানা ছাড়িয়ে. সীমানা না মানে কোনো কিছুর ঊর্ধ্বে যখন চলে যায় তখন সেটাকে বিয়ন্ড বলা হয়. One thing is more than another. The job is beyond the man's ability. মানে কি ওই লোকটার সক্ষমতার বাইরে হচ্ছে এই চাকরিটা. তো কোনো কিছুর ঊর্ধ্বে বা বাহিরেকে বলা হয় beyond. What is determination? What do you think? What is determination?
Like the will to try again and again.
Determination we can say দৃঢ় তোমার ইচ্ছা বা সংকল্প, ঠিক আছে. Then okay, now let's go with Mahin. Let's go with you from fighting to 3 words.
Fighting is a physical conflict between people or group in a new war. In the street, it is a heavy fighting continued for days.
Continued for days.
Yes, ma'am.
তারপর যাও. I said 3 words from fighting. পড়ে যাও মাহিন, তোমাকে বলছি 3টা ওয়ার্ডস পড়তে.
Joined. When sometimes is joined. It is done by or involves 2 or more people or groups. Mike and Jonah are joint owners of a coffee shop.
When না, it will be when. ঠিক আছে, WH হচ্ছে when হবে. কি হবে?
When
Okay, so next one, the last one.
lending. A landing is when you return to the ground or another surface after a flight or a boat ride.
তার মানে ফাইটিং আমরাও জানি। জয়েন্ট, হোয়াট ডু ইউ মিন বাই জয়েন্ট? What is joint? Everyone, what do you think joint is?
Like a group of two or many.
তো হয়।
Like a group activity someone joined.
জয়েন হচ্ছে যোগ দেওয়া, আর জয়েন্ট মানে হচ্ছে তোমার এটা তো সংযুক্ত বা হচ্ছে একই সাথে, ঠিক আছে? ওকে, ল্যান্ডিং মানেও জানি, উই নো দ্যাট ফ্লাইট ল্যান্ডিং হয়, তাই না? ইট গোজ, ল্যান্ডিং জিনিসটা যায় ফ্লাইটের সাথে অথবা বোট রাইডের সাথে। ওকে, নাও লেটস গো উইথ দ্য আদার পারসন। আয়ান, from three words from the mark.
Okay. Mark. To mark is to celebrate an important event or time by doing something. My grandparents are having a party to mark their 50th anniversary. Mobilize. What is that word?
Mobilize. Mobilize.
Mobilize. To mobilize is to prepare an army to fight in a war. Thousands of soldiers were ready to mobilize for the fight. Nation. A nation is a large area of land that is controlled by its own government. India is a nation that is developing rapidly.
Okay. So mark মানে we all know it, right? To celebrate something. ঠিক আছে, mobilize, what do you mean by mobilize then? কি বলা যায়? যোদ্ধা তৈরি করা, কি হবে?
Like
যোদ্ধা
prepare
তৈরি
the
করা বা
soldiers for war.
Yes. যোদ্ধা মানে একটা পুরো সৈন্য দলকে প্রস্তুত করা যুদ্ধের জন্য। Nation, we all know it, জাতি। And let's go with Samia. Go on.
Originally. Originally is used in place of in the beginning or when something first happened or began. This building was originally a bank. Outbreak. An outbreak is a sudden start or increase of fighting or disease. The scientists prepare for an outbreak of a dangerous virus. Pray. To pray is to speak to God in order to ask for help or to give thanks. The girl likes to pray for world peace.
Outbreak সবাই বুঝতে পেরেছি, যখন হঠাৎ কোনো কিছু বের হয়ে যায়। এটাকে আমরা ওই যে যখন করোনার সময়ও বলেছি, দ্য আউটব্রেক অফ করোনা। প্রেও সবাই জানি। নাও লেটস গো উইথ মরি।
Prisoner. A prisoner is someone who is taken by force and kept somewhere. He has been a prisoner for many years. Sacrifice. To sacrifice is to give up something in order to get something you want to do. You want or do something else from someone. Karen has had to sacrifice a lot for her children. Silence. Silence is the complete absence of a sound or noise. I can only sleep in complete silence. Thus, thus is used in place of
three words. এটা থাস না, এটা does হবে। Does.
does.
Prisoner. Prisoner মানে সবাই আমরা জানি, right? Who is taken by force or kept somewhere, মানে তোমার কয়েদিও বলা যায়। আবার প্রিজনার মানে হচ্ছে ধরো কেউ তোমাকে ফোর্সফুলি কোথাও আটকে রাখলো, সেটাও প্রিজনার বলা হয়। Sacrifice, know it. Silence, we all know it. Who is left now? কে বাকি আছে?
Miss me.
Yes, Nandika, go on.
Does. Thus is used in place of as a result of something that was just mentioned. Victor wants to lose weight, thus he'll go on a diet and start exercising. Tribute. A tribute is something that you say, do, or give in order to express respect for someone. In some countries, people wear poppies as a tribute to veterans. Victory. A victory is a situation in which you win a battle, gain election, or dispute. The man was thrilled with his victory.
ওকে, তো দাস মানে সুতরাং বা ফলাফল যেটা আমরা বলি, লাইক therefore, so, something like that, in conclusion. Tribute মানে what do you mean by tribute? Come on.
Like
Tribute
kind
মানে
of ritual or something to show respect.
it's not ritual, it's just a thing, it's doing something to show someone respect. That's all. Victory, সবাই জানি, and no one is left, I guess. So wild means to wild is to be
Miss, I am left.
go left. Okay, go on.
Wild. To be wild is to be without control. Dandelions grow wild in the cracks of the streets. Wound. To wound is to injure someone or something by cutting or breaking the skin. The boy knew he might wound his niece if he didn't wear pads on them.
তো ওয়ার্ন মানে হচ্ছে তোমার ব্যথা পাওয়া বা আঘাত, ঠিক আছে, ইনজুরি। ওয়াইল্ড মানে বন্য, সবাই জানি। So circle the two words in each group that are most closely related. We have to find two words from here. কোনটা হবে?
The first one would be hope and pray.
Hope and pray. Okay. Done.
Mark
Miss,
and
mark
celebrate.
and
Mark and
point.
point.
Mark.
Can celebrate. মার্ক মানে কি করা, সেলিব্রেশনের জন্য দাগিয়ে রাখা, সেলিব্রেট, মার্ক এন্ড সেলিব্রেট। দেন
Anthem and song.
yes,
Miss,
anthem and song.
imagine, feel, imagine,
ইমাজিনের সাথে ফিলের ফিল হচ্ছে অনুভূতি, ইমাজিন হচ্ছে কল্পনা করা। You have to make synonyms, find out synonyms. তারপর
Is battle and fighting.
Battle and fighting.
then fighting. Okay. Then
Country and nation.
country and মাহিন, তুমি বুঝতে পারো না এখানে কি হয়েছে?
Yes, ma'am.
কথা বলতে হবে মাহিন। You have to answer all the questions. সবাই, everyone is open to answer, okay? Don't sit idle. Circle the two words that in each group that are opposite in meaning. Now you have to find words that are opposite.
Is lastly and originally.
Miss, traditionally and originally.
Yes, we can do with traditionally.
Means joint and single.
Huh?
Joint and single.
Joint and single. আগে টুতে যাও, টু করো আগে।
Is victory and lose.
টু বলো আগে, টু বলো।
Doubt and motivation.
ডাউট এন্ড মোটিভেশন তো হচ্ছে কাউকে তোমার উৎসাহী করা, ডিটারমিনেশন নাই, মানে তোমার নাই, দৃঢ় সংকল্প নাই। একটা হচ্ছে দৃঢ় সংকল্প আরেকটা হচ্ছে তোমার সন্দেহ রেখে করা। You know that you will win or something. Okay, then
Victory and lose.
victory and loss. Okay.
Silence and noise.
Noise.
Okay, let me make it a little bit. Write the word from the word bank that best fits each sentence. You don't need to write it down, you can just say it too. Okay. The soldiers were ready to dash and board the ship. Do you need some time for thinking?
Yes, ma'am.
Miss, mobilize.
I'm giving you 2 minutes. Think about what answers can you put here. Then I will go for asking you.
Miss done.
Okay, now tell me. The soldiers were ready to dash and board the ship.
Mobilize.
Mobilize.
Okay, mobilize.
Mobilized.
Mobilized? Mobilize only. Okay. The warplanes prepared for?
Landing.
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 Okay. The man was taken as a dash by enemy soldiers.
Prisoner.
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 Concert paid dash to a musician who recently
Tribute.
died.
Tribute.
Okay, my job as a chef goes dash cooking
Beyond.
and what
Beyond.
Beyond.
the soldier fell and dash his arm.
Wounded.
Wound.
Wound.
The flowers grew dash at the soldier's grave.
Wild.
Wild.
I studied hard dash I received a good.
Athos.
Does.
Does. Okay. Okay, today I have something for you. তোমাদের আমি মিস আবার particularly বলে দিচ্ছি, so you want to do exercises on voice, prepositions, narration, substitution table without clues. Any more things?
No, ma'am.
মাহিন, তোমার কোনো কিছুতে particularly problem? মাহিন, come on.
No, ma'am.
সব পারি। ওকে, ঠিক আছে। তাহলে তো আর প্রবলেম নাই। তোমাদের সিলেবাস কি মিসকে দিয়ে দিয়েছিলা?
Yes, ma'am.
No, miss.
শুধু ইয়ের বাকি আছে। মরিন এন্ড ফালাক শুধু দিয়েছে। আর এটা কাদের? এটা
Miss, I also gave.
রাদিয়ার গুলো ওপেন হচ্ছিল না, আই গেস। হ্যাঁ, রাদিয়ার গুলো ওপেন হয়নি, সেজন্য এটা আছে বাট এটা কোনো ওপেন করা যাচ্ছে না, নট ওয়ার্কিং।
Miss, shall I give it again?
নট টুডে, তুমি হচ্ছে করে রেখো, ঠিক আছে? এরপরে হচ্ছে আমি ইয়ে করে নিব, ওকে?
Yes.
ঠিক আছে দেন, তাহলে আমরা নেক্সট ডে থেকে ইনশাআল্লাহ প্রিপোজিশন এন্ড ভয়েসটা শেষ করি, ঠিক আছে? ভয়েসটা একটা রিভিশন করব, মানে রুলস সহ রিভাইজ করে দিব, আর হচ্ছে তোমাদের প্রিপোজিশনসটা আমরা কিছু ওয়ার্ড ওয়াইজ যাব এন্ড প্র্যাকটিস সেশনে যাব। ইজ ইট
Okay,
ওকে?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So see you in the next day. Until then, stay safe and healthy. Bye bye.